Hello, and first of all, thank you to those 100 people who have subscribed till now. It really means a lot to me. So, this video is a little bit different from our regular videos, podcast interviews. This time, I will be discussing insights from the book which I have been reading for a while, Sprint. Sprint is written by Jake Knapp. He is one of the lead designers at Google Ventures. Google Ventures is an organization of Google which acquires different startups and make them one of the best in industry. So I'm sure you will get some really good insight from this series of videos, and it will add some value to you if you are someone developing a product, or an entrepreneur, or anyone in the tech industry. So let's start. So in the book discusses about how you can design and develop your idea and also test it in just 5 days. The 5 days consist of the first day, where you will ask some really important questions for your product, which is what problem it is solving and how you approach it. On the second day, the whole sprint team develops different sketches based on their way to approach the solution. And on the third day, some of these sketches are selected for prototyping. On fourth day, the prototype is built, and on the fifth and final day, the product is tested with the real customers. The introduction of the book explains the whole process with the story of Saviok. It is a company that provides service robots to the hotels and different service industries, hotels, FedEx, hospitals, and whatnot. So on the first day, as we have discussed, we try to ask some relevant questions. So for the Saviok, the relevant questions were how their robot will interact with the customers in hotel, how it will fit in the hotel environment, and also the most important thing, how it will be accepted by the customers. The Saviok team during the sprint tried to focus on just one user story, that there is a customer in the hotel. He or she forgot his toothbrush at home, and they want a toothbrush from reception. And also, on the second day, to tackle this particular user interaction, the whole sprint team try to sketch different solutions. It included their CEO, CFO, and everyone in the company. The sprint team consists of 7 to 8 people. Together, they build 23 different solutions for this single use case. On the third day, they selected one or two of them. On the fourth day, the engineering team and the design team built a prototype for them. On the fifth day, it was finally for the test. During the test, the customers knew that they were part of some test, but were unaware of the real subject, which was a robot. Someone from the Saviok team guided them to the hotel room and asked them few relevant questions, like how would their travel routine is, how they take plan things during their travel. And also one important question: what if they forgot something at home, like essential things like toothbrush? So the answer from the customer was they will call to the reception, and the Saviok team member asked them to do so in the same way. So, to their surprise, as you can see in the video also, to their surprise, a robot came to deliver them, and they were surprised with it in a very positive way. This was a clear indication to the sprint team that the 5 day sprint was successful. And also, this story is around 8 years ago. Today, many of the hotels in Silicon Valley use robots for their different services, and even FedEx is using few of these robots on their services. So it was a total success for the sprint team. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss the whole sprint process in detail, and I will be reading this book further more chapters, and we will discuss it chapter by chapter. And I hope this will provide some value to you. So please like if you find it valuable, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.